What?
We want to make sure you have plenty of time to warm up and use the body and all that stuff. Let's
Say
go.
hi.
That's your rifle.
That's mine?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I swear to God.
Oh, then I took yours. Oopsie. Sorry. First shot. Here you go.
Thanks.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Can you, is it angled right? I can't tell. Let's hope it doesn't fall off.
I think that's fine.
All right.
You should be eating it.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's red.
Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Do I look dumb?
All right. Everyone's at standby.
No, I have
We
to
want to
pee.
keep on schedule here.
Say hi.
Great rehearsal, Hicksville. You are set up to rock the house tonight.
Oh boy.
You got to bring it here, though. Brass, do not play out of your, we don't want you to have a bad run tonight, so if you take it a little easy right now, I'm not going to hold, I'm not going to be angry about that. Woodwind, you have no excuse. Just play and drum on, you have no excuse. Brass, take it easy. All right, here we go.
What happened?
Drum majors, Samantha Mason, Fatima Aguilar,
Oh boy.
Gia Ray. Is your band ready? Hicksville, marching compass. You may color your world.
Oh shit, I don't know what this is. 6, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 2, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 4, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, hold 1, 6. 2. Saute! Ah, too loud. Oh my god, that's me. I'll take a video of you. 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7. 6. Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired. Two, gotta pee. 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 5, 7. You're sorry, early. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 4. I don't know that counts. Hey, Sam. Oh, I gotta pee. 3, 4, 6. Oh no! That's a wrap. Say hi, guys.
All right, everyone stand by. Very nice job this afternoon. You are setting yourselves up to have a fabulous performance tonight. It is 3:40. Your booty behind is in your bus seat at 4:10, which means you have a half an hour. Have a snack, drink lots of water, warm up, go to the bathroom.
Yes,
Going to be a
I
little
have to
tricky
pee.
for my co-peg friends. Let's not have a repeat of last week.
Oh,
Go
what
to the
happened last
bathroom
week?
now, so that once we get off the bus, we're going to go straight to our warm-up, okay? So you have a half an hour for yourself. If you're somebody that has to pack your instrument on the bus, give yourself enough time to get that on the bus, and then we are departing at 4:15. See that?
Oh,
Great
holy
job,
crap.
everyone.
Hi! Oh boy. Say bye, everybody. I gotta pee.
Bro, I was literally
Bye.
I'm gonna run